On this video, we are going to demo some Product 360 features and how we design the egress process through Cloud Integration Hub. So let's get started. Okay, so let's show Product 360. So let me start by the data model on the Product 360. So for that, we need to come to Business 360 Console Assets, and then it comes with an out-of-box data model loaded into the Product 360 folder. You're gonna see basically three components, right? Item, category, and classification. On item is pretty much the product itself. You're gonna see several fields pre-built here, like identifier, getting number. You're gonna see some field groups like meta information, where we have language and title and description. And then you can extend as needed. You can create more field groups, more fields, and create data quality and set the match rules. This one we set as well. We change a little bit on the survivorship, okay, to keep meta information unique by the title, for example, right? So for same language, same title, we're gonna have just uh, one item, one information for that meets this criteria, right? Same for product highlights. So the description will change as you just saw. I was just showing the meta information before. So we have like basically three fields: language, title, and description. When it comes to survivorship on meta information, the unique criteria will be language and title. So if we have same language, same title, two different descriptions, so it depends on the survivorship criteria that we're setting here. So we set like the UI, the administrator has high priority, then Acme, then ABC. So this is the order that the survivorship on the duplication criteria will follow. Okay, so pretty straightforward here. Data model, we can extend, and then we can create relationships between item and category, item to item. We can create bundles. Let's say you want to sell, you want to build a Harry Potter bundle to sell on Christmas, right? So you can just bring four, all the seven titles, and then I don't know if you decide to sell like Funko Pops, right? So you can bring two, three Funko Pops and build a bundle and sell it, and create a new product based on existing products, right? And then create a category like a Christmas bundle or a Christmas gift set, and tie and play with these components as needed. And once you have the data model set, so of course we need to load this data, and this is where we come to data integration. And let me just show one of the mappings that we built for Triade Store. Let me go to Acme, and let me grab this mapping right here. So this is a pretty basic mapping. We have Acme as a source, as a SQL source, because all the physical books are stored on this source right here, on this database. And then as target, you have the B360 component, right? On the field mapping, you can see all the fields coming from the source, all the mapped fields into to the target. You're gonna see like keywords, math information, as we showed before, right? What we have in meta information, language, title, description. So we have several meta information that we're loading, like 3, 4, 5, 8 different uh, meta information that are coming from source. We are building and loading um, a document on 360, right? On product 360. And once we run this, we're gonna load source to target, and then we run the match and merge process to deduplicate, let's say, the same title coming from in a digital format and a physical format coming from different source. They're gonna get match and merge, and only one book should remain on product 360, right? So let's move to the UI. So this is the product 360, and just a matter of fact, we have some dashboards built here, so you can see where these products came from and if it's out of stock or not. And interesting thing that we need to mention is the hierarchy for this use case, as we mentioned the architecture diagram. Um, all the product categorization and reference data are managed directly on the product on the MDM SaaS. Okay, so we built a classification for books here. Actually, the data governance team did. So we have, for example, these four um, categories here. Under each one of them, we have books and we have other subcategories, right? For romance, fiction. So if you click on fiction, we're gonna see all these books. We can sort by the title here, by the item. And let me get this a Christmas memory here. On Christmas memory, and once I open the book itself, uh, you're gonna see some. This is the overview page. You're gonna see how long this book has been available, the selling price, product highlights, and basically everything, right? And then you can get even more information going to attributes. One of the things that we have talked a lot of is meta information. So here you can see that meta information, we have the language and the title, and this is the description, right? So we have URLs, we have publish date, awards, edition, even more information here like number of pages, rating, everything. So, and as you can see, this is an audiobook as well as a book. So probably it came from both source, Acme and ABC. So just to check on that, we can go to source records, and here it is. You can see that actually we had two records coming from Acme. So Acme had this item duplicated, and ABC also had this one. Okay. So at the end, you're gonna see just one record, one golden record, as you see on the overview attributes, just one book consolidating three source systems, right? And if you need to see like the system fields, the the key they had like on the source or something like that, you can just check on the system fields, and this pretty much all the math information got deduplicated by those criteria that we previously saw, right? Title, language, and title. Okay, and this is the final result, right? We have a description and everything, so we can pretty much manage this, create new price list in different currency, um, and that's it. This is the master of the product, and can be published to other uh, systems, right? In a pub sub way, and yep.
Thank you for watching this video from our series. Connect with us and discover how we can achieve success together.